Welcome back. Rape accused John Fernandes is planning to contest from Benaulim. However, he has not decided about any particular party. He also said that one veteran politician has approached him to shelve his plans to contest from Benaulim constituency.
John Fernandes is out on bail in a rape case against him. Now, he plans to contest from Benaulim constituency in forthcoming assembly polls. John lost to Mickey in last assembly elections with few hundred votes. He had contested on Save Goa party's ticket. He briefed media persons in Madgaon on Thursday. John informed that one veteran politician pleaded him to withdraw his will to contest from Benaulim.
So you are a candidate. You have a party who call themselves veteran politicians. दुसरे दीस मुगे घरा कडेन तूं हे इलेक्शन झगड नाका तुका ऑलरेडी त्रासांक आयिल्लो आनी तूं हे तो इलेक्शन झगडलो आमी तुगे हांवें कोडे केस हायकोर्टाक घालतले.
This time, he claims huge support. He informed that two parties have approached him, assuring ticket in Benaulim, but he has not yet decided anything.
About where to contest, that my people have to decide. Because you know what is the situation. GVP आणि सगळे सेव गोवा मागीर आमचे EGDP, they have all approached us. They are saying you please sit with us.
A reporter in Madgaon, Sameer Bhatt.
Gyan Prasarak Vidyalay at Mapsa has been accredited with International Organization for Standardization 9000-2001 certificate. They are the first in Goa to get this honor. PTA feels that this certificate will help the students to compete at the international level.
Gyan Prasarak Vidyalaya, founded by Vaishya Mandal, has been accredited with the ISO 9000-2008 certificate. The school completed 100 years in 2008. This is one of the old schools in the state. The management has given credit to the PTA chairman Harish Melwani.
आयज आमचे जे पळय भुरगे शिकता स्कुलान तांकां इंटरनॅशनल लेवलचेर आमी एड्युकेशन दिवंक शकता आनी तांकां तयार करूंक शकता की फुडें जावन जे पळय फुडल्या लेवलार कॉम्पिटिशनाक वयतले ते एट इंटरनॅशनल लेवल दे वील बी वेरी गूड. आनी हे सर्टिफिकेटीचो फायदो असो जाता की ताका कंटिन्युअस ऑडिट आसता. दर 15 दिसान म्हयन्याभरान इंटरनॅशनल लेवलचे ऑडिटर येता आनी चेक करता एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन सायड एज वेल एज टिचींग सायड.
This school is located at the center of the city. Melwani says that they have demanded that the government should provide the 100-year-old school with alternate land in the city.
सध्या हो स्कूल सारको म्हापशा बाजारान आसा, वैश्य भवन आसा पळय थंय आसा आनी आमची विनंती आसा गव्हर्मेंट कडेन की आमकां जर बोडगेश्वर टेंपल त्या सायडीन जर जागा मेळत जाल्यार आमी आनी बरें चलोवंक शकता आनी एक्सपांड करूंक शकता.
A reporter from Mapsa, Sham Sundar Fatte, with video journalist Sushant Pal.
And now a look at the various political events happening in the state.
Thivim Vikas Manch has started campaigning for their aspirant candidate Kiran Kandolkar. Kandolkar is willing to contest from Thivi. Many supporters joined the Thivim Vikas Manch on Wednesday. Some of the truck owners and villagers have pledged their support to him. Kandolkar is confident of his victory. He says that he has served Thivi constituency for last 4.5 years. Avartan of Uttado is planning to contest from Navalny constituency. He says he will contest as an independent candidate. Corner meeting was held at Navalim. Many supporters were present for the meeting. Muslim community was present in large number. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Carmona Farmers Club has come up with an unique farming of watermelon seeds. This initiative by the club is to motivate the people for organic farming with cost-effective irrigation. Here's a report. Watermelon is usually a summer season crop, though nowadays we find watermelons throughout a year in the market. It gets a good market during summer. Sowing of watermelon seeds should be done in the winter, mostly in the month of January or February. So, if you want to have watermelon cultivation, sow it right now. Irrigation is a major necessity for this crop. Carmona Farmers Club have sown watermelon seeds to get a good produce during the summer time.
हे असं आमगेलें ट्रेडिशनल सिस्टम हो ट्रेडिशनल सिस्टम आमी लोकांक दाखोवपाक केला की कितकोन हे फार्मींग कोताले तें आनी ते हे उदो सकल देंवोन येता आनी देंवोन येले म्हणटरी आमी तेका सगळें धाकटे गायर केलो आहाय आनी जे गायऱ्यां तें उदो रावता आनी त्या गायऱ्यांतलें तें काडटाय आनी ती शिंपताय थिंगा लेबर आमगेलो उण जाता जेन्ना बोगले लागीं तर उदो येयलें तेका शिंपोवंक एकदम बऱ्या पडटा.
They have also cultivated various other seeds and saplings like hybrid chilies, rajma, sweet potatoes and radish. Our reporter in Carmona, Savio Dias.
News from sports after a short break. Stay tuned.